Today's topic is immunodeficiency disorder. Myself Dr. Deepika Patel, Microbiology Department, Government Medical College, Surat. Immunodeficiency disorders are the disorders that are produced by the deficiency in immunity, that is acquired or innate immunity. Which are the types of immunity? Which are the types of immune deficiency disorder? That are the primary immune deficiency disorder and secondary immune deficiency disorder. In this topic, we will learn about these two topics. Now, what is the definition and classification? First, we will see definition. It states where the defense mechanism of the body are impaired, that leading to enhanced susceptibility to microbial infections as well as to certain form of cancers. Immunodeficiency diseases are broadly classified as primary immunodeficiency and secondary immunodeficiency. Primary immunodeficiency are the deficiency that are produced from the birth of the human body, and secondary immune deficiencies are the acquired immune deficiency during the lifetime. First, we will see the diseases that occurs by primary immunodeficiency. That are the humoral immunodeficiency, and second is the combined immunodeficiencies. Humoral immunodeficiencies are defects by B cell defect, that are the and combined immunodeficiencies are defects in B cell and T cell both. Now, humoral immunodeficiencies are first Bruton's diseases. It is X-linked related A-gamma globulinemia. Second is common variable immunodeficiency. Third is isolated IgA immunodeficiency. Fourth, hyper IgM syndrome. Fifth, that is the transient hypogammaglobulinemia of infancy. After that, we will see the T cell defect, that is also called as a cellular immunodeficiencies. DiGeorge syndrome, it is also called as a thymic hypoplasia. Chronic mucocutaneous candidiasis, and third one is a purine nucleoside phosphorylase deficiency. Now, combined immunodeficiency of B and T cell defects are severe combined immunodeficiencies like cytokine receptor mutation, adenosine deaminase, ADA deficiencies, Wiskott-Aldrich syndrome, WAS, ataxia telangiectasia, and Nesloff syndrome. Disorder of phagocytosis, that are chronic granulomatous diseases, myeloperoxidase deficiencies, Chiriac-Higasse syndrome, lazy leukocyte syndrome, Job syndrome or hyper IgE syndrome, Tufstein deficiency, Squaz syndrome, disorder of complements, that are complement component deficiency and complement regulatory protein deficiencies. Now, infections in immunodeficiency are according to pathogen types: bacteria, viruses, fungi, parasites, and other special features. Bacteria from T cell defect cause bacterial sepsis. From B cell defect, that cause bacteria in streptococci, staphylococci, and H. influenza infections. Granulocyte defects in bacteria by staphylococci, pseudomonas, and nocardia. Viruses that cause T cell defect is cytomegalovirus, Epstein-Barr virus, severe varicella, chronic infections with respiratory and intestinal viruses. B cell defect in viruses are enterovirus encephalitis and complement defect in bacteria and viruses both are same, that is the seen in Neisseria other pathogenic infections. Now fungi, T cell defect in fungi, that is Candida pneumocystis zerovirus. Granulocyte defect are Candida aspergillus. Parasites in Giardia, special features in T cell defect is aggressive disease with opportunistic pathogens, failure to clear infections. In Giardiasis, B cell defect is recurrent sinopulmonary infections, sepsis, chronic meningitis. And complement defects in fungi and parasites are Neisseria and other pathogenic infections. Now we will see in details about some diseases. That is, first one is a Bruton's disease. It is also called as a X-linked A-gamma globulinemia. Failure of B cell to differentiate into immature B cell into the bone marrow. It is called as a Bruton's disease due to the absence of enzyme called Bruton's tyrosine kinase. Transformation of B cell into the immature B cell cause total absence of B cell and plasma cells in the circulation. Pre-B cells are found in normal numbers in bone marrow and the T cell mediated responses are also normal. Cytoplasm of B cell may have incomplete immunoglobulins. X-linked primarily in males, sporadic cases have been described in females. Secondary infections are seen after 6 months of age when maternal antibodies are depleted. Recurrent bacterial infections, that are the Haemophilus influenza, Streptococcus pneumoniae or Staphylococcus aureus, that leading to acute or chronic pharyngitis. It also causes sinusitis, otitis media, bronchitis and pneumonia. Viruses that are cleared by neutralizing antibodies like enteroviruses. Parasites which are usually restricted by secretory IgA, that are the Giardia lamblia. Autoimmune disease such as SLE, systemic lupus erythematosus and dermatomyositis also occur into 20% of cases. Common variable immunodeficiency is heterogeneous group of both sporadic and inherited form of the diseases. Hypogammaglobulinemia increases susceptibility to infection, autoimmune disorders, that are the hemolytic anemia and pernicious anemia, as well as lymphoid tumors. The clinical manifestations are superficially similar to those of Bruton's disease but differ in the following aspects, that are both sexes are affected equally. Onset of symptoms is much later in the second or third decade of life. B cell development defect is also occur. Diagnosis is usually one of exclusion after other causes of immunodeficiencies are ruled out. The basis of the immunoglobulin deficiency is variable, hence the name. Intrinsic B cell defect, deficient T cell health or excessive T cell suppressor activity is occur. Isolated IgA deficiency, it is most commonly affects about 1 in 700 white individuals. Weakened mucosal defense due to IgA deficiency, it predisposes patient to recurrent sinopulmonary infections and diarrhea. Significant association with autoimmune disease is occur but unexplained. Pathogenesis blocks in the terminal differentiation of IgE secreting B cell to plasma cell. due to altered T cell production of cytokines or intrinsic B cell defect. The level of other immunoglobulins are usually normal or even excess. Hyper-IgM syndromes, that is X-linked disorder due to a defect in isotypes, class switchover of B cells. Class switchover depends upon two signals generated by helper T cells which influence the B cells. Th cell-induced cytokine, signal generated due to the direct contact through the interaction of CD40 molecules on B cell with CD40 ligands on Th cells. Mutation in either CD40 ligand or CD40 genes prevents the T and B cell interaction, blocks the class switchover, lack of synthesis of other classes of antibodies. It is called as a hyper-IgM syndrome. Deficiency of IgG defect in opsonization and complement activation and IgA deficiency lead to increased recurrent sinopulmonary infection and diarrhea. Excess IgM antibodies cause autoimmune hemolytic anemia, thrombocytopenia or neutropenia. Patients with defect in CD40 ligand are more susceptible to pneumocystis jirovecii infection. X-linked hyper-IgM syndrome is X-linked in 70% of the cases affecting males. In the remaining patients, the precise mutation have not been fully characterized. Transient hypogammaglobulinemia of infancy. It occurs due to an abnormal delay in the initiation of synthesis of IgG or sometimes IgA or IgM. Some infants, IgG synthesis is delayed, leading to defect in opsonization or complement activation, resulting in recurrent otitis media and respiratory infection. Spontaneous recovery occurs usually by 18 to 24 months of age. Interestingly, these infants show a normal antibody response against vaccines. Now, DiGeorge syndrome, it is also called as a thymic aplasia. It results from congenital defect in thymic development leading to defect in T cell maturation. Infants are extremely vulnerable to viral, fungal, intracellular, bacterial and protozoal infections. Pathogenesis, it occurs in 90% of cases. There occurs a deletion of affecting chromosome number 22q11, which lead to developmental malformation affecting the third and fourth pharyngeal pouches in embryonic life. Thymus, parathyroid gland and portion of the facies and aortic arch become defective. There may be associated with parathyroid gland hypoplasia resulting in neonatal tetany and hypocalcemia. Anomalies of the heart and great vessel, that is also called as a phallostatrology, characteristic facial appearance. Treatment, thymus transplantation has been found to be successful in restoration of immune functions. In others with partial defects, immunity may improve spontaneously with age. Chronic mucocutaneous candidiasis. It represents as an impaired cell-mediated immunity against Candida albicans, leads to superficial infection of the skin, mucous membrane and nails. It do not show increased susceptibility to other infections but often associated with endocrinopathies and autoimmune disorders. Transfer factor therapy along with amphotericin B has been reported to be effective. Purine nucleoside phosphorylase deficiency, it is autosomal recessive disorder, chromosome number 14, characterized by deficiency of an enzyme of purine metabolism called purine nucleoside phosphorylase, and PNP is the key enzyme required for purine degradation, catalyze the conversion of guanosine to hypoxanthine. Deficiency leads to elevated deoxy-GTP levels, resulting in T cell toxicity. However, B cells are not affected. T cell depletion predisposed to increased susceptibility to infections and autoimmune disorders. Severe combined immunodeficiencies, SCID, represents group of genetically distinct syndromes, all having in common defects in both humoral and cell-mediated immune response. Types of genetic defects in SCID includes mutation in the cytokine receptors. Approximately 50 to 60% of cases of SCID are X-linked, seen in males, results from mutation in the gene encoding the common gamma chain shared by the cytokine receptors for IL-7 and other IL-2, 4, 9 and 15. Defective interleukin-7 receptor cause defect in survival and expansion of immature B and T cell precursor in bone marrow. Defect in interleukin-15 receptor cause deficiency in NK cells. Adenosine deaminase deficiency, which cause most commonly ADA deficiency, which lead to accumulation of deoxyadenosine, which is toxic to rapidly dividing immature T lymphocytes. RAG mutation, recombinase activating genes, defect blocks the development of T and B cells. JAK3 mutation, JAK3 is an intercellular kinase mutation, is another way of blocking the cytokine receptor signaling. Class 2 MHC deficiencies mutations that impairs the expression of class 2 MHC molecules, which prevent the development of CD4 plus T cells. This condition is also called the bare lymphocyte syndrome. Infections affected infants are susceptible to severe recurrent infections by wide array of pathogens, including Candida, Pneumocystis, cytomegaloviruses, and Pseudomonas. Treatment is bone marrow transplantation. Gene therapy, which replaces the mutated gene, has been successfully in X-linked cases. Now, Wiskott-Aldrich syndrome, WS, it is also called as a VAS. X-linked recessive disorder is VAS, characterized by immunodeficiency with thrombocytopenia, eczema. Severity of VAS increase with age. First, manifests itself by defective response to bacterial polysaccharides and by lower IgM levels. IgG levels are usually normal, and paradoxically the level of IgA and IgE are often elevated. Other T and B cell responses are normal initially, but with increase of age, there are recurrent bacterial infections and gradual loss of humoral and cellular response. Wiskott-Aldrich syndrome, prone to develop non-Hodgkin's B cell lymphoma. It also causes bloody diarrhea secondary to thrombocytopenia. Now, what is the pathogenesis of Wiskott-Aldrich syndromes? Genetic defects is due to mutation in the gene encoding VAS present in precursor lymphoid cells of bone marrow. Cytoskeletal glycoproteins required for actin polymerization, that is cialophorin or CD43. Ataxia telangiectasia, difficulty in maintaining balance while walking, cerebral ataxia, appearance of broken capillaries, it is telangiectasia in the eye, and chorioathetoid movements usually noticed in infancy. Deficiency of IgA and sometimes immunoglobulin E. Profound cynopulmonary infections occur. Primary defect, that is kinase involved in regulation of cell cycles. Now other is Nesloff syndrome. It is autosomal and recessive cellular immunodeficiency resulting from thymus hypoplasia. In some patients, B cells are normal, whereas in other, a B cell deficiency is secondary to the T cell defect. Affected individuals suffer from chronic diarrhea, viral and fungal infection, and general failure to thrive. Now, disorders of phagocytosis, that is chronic granulomatous disease CGD, pathogenesis. It involves inherited defects in the gene encoding components of oxidase system. For example, nicotinamide adenine nucleotide phosphatase NADP, oxidase of phagocytes which break down hydrogen peroxide to generate free oxygen radical that are involved in microbial killing. Decreased oxidative burn which predispose to recurrent bacterial infections. CGD is a genetic disease that runs in family in two forms, X-linked form more common 70%, membrane component of phagocyte oxidase is defective. Autosomal recessive form, that is a cytoplasmic component of phagocyte oxidase, is defective. Manifestations of CGDs. Bacteria involved in the recurrent infection are catalase positive that cause pyogenic pathogens such as Staphylococci, Pseudomonas and coliforms. Excessive inflammation reactions that result in gingivitis, swollen lymph nodes and non-malignant granulomas that cause lumpy subcutaneous cell masses. Nitrobutadiene reduction test (NBT) is used for screening to detect deficiency of NADPH oxidase activities. Now, myeloperoxidase deficiency, that is common genetic disorder characterized by deficiency in either quantity or function of myeloperoxidase, an enzyme produced by neutrophils, and patients present with immunodeficiency and recurrent infections, especially with Candida albicans. Other is Chidiac-Higasse syndrome, autosomal recessive disorder, defective function of phagosomes and lysozymes in phagocytes, which lead to increased susceptibility to recurrent and severe pyogenic infections. Abnormalities in melanocytes leading to albinism. It causes lack of skin and eye pigments. Abnormalities in cell of the nervous system that is associated with nerve defect and platelet abnormalities causing bleeding disorders. Aggressive but non-malignant infiltration of organs by lymphoid cells. Chidiac-Higasse syndrome, pathogenesis, mutation in a protein called LYST that regulates lysosomal trafficking. It impairs the targeting of proteins to secretory lysozymes, which makes them unable to lyse bacteria. Phagocytes from patients with this immune defect contain G and granules but do not have the ability to kill bacteria. Now, LAD, leukocyte adhesion deficiency. It is autosomal recessive disorder, defect in the adhesion of leukocyte which result in poor leukocyte chemotaxis, particularly neutrophils, inability to form pus and neutrophilia, predisposes to various infections. Leukocyte adhesion deficiency 1, that is mutation in beta-2 integrin subunit CD18 of leukocyte cell adhesion molecules, chromosome number 21. Leukocyte adhesion deficiency 2, that is mutation in fucosyl transferase that requires for synthesis of sialylated oligosaccharide, which is a selecting ligand. Lazy leukocyte syndrome. It is idiopathic condition due to the defect in neutrophil chemotaxis. Increased pyogenic infections such as gingivitis, abscess formation, pneumonia and neutropenia. CHOP syndromes, hyper IgE syndrome, characterized by eczema, recurrent staphylococcal skin abscess, recurrent lung infection by pneumatococcus, eosinophilia and high serum level of IgE. Defect in neutrophil chemotaxis. Most cases are sporadic, but some familial cases of hyper IgE syndrome have been reported with either an autosomal dominant or autosomal recessive mode of inheritance. Autosomal dominant cases are linked to mutation in the state-free gene, and autosomal recessive cases are due to the mutation in DOCK8 gene. Tufstine deficiency. Tufstine is a tetrapeptide produced primarily in the spleen by the cleavage of the Fc portion of the heavy chain of IgG. It stimulates the bactericidal activity of phagocytes. Tufstine deficiency is either hereditary or following splenectomy may occur. Increased susceptibility to certain capsulated organisms such as Haemophilus influenza, pneumococci and meningococci. Spasman syndrome. It is rare congenital disorder characterized by neutropenia, exocrine pancreatic insufficiency, bone marrow dysfunction and skeletal abnormalities and short stature may occur. Now, secondary immune deficiencies that are acquired during their lifetime. Secondary effect of the other diseases such as malnutrition due to inadequate immunoglobulin synthesis. Aging is suppression of immune system with age. Patient with several infections that suppresses immune system causing lymphocyte depletions in HIV, it can be occur. Underlying cancer patients, particularly those of the bone marrow and blood cell, that is leukopenia, lymphoma and multiple myeloma. Underlying proteinuric renal diseases leads to loss of immunoglobulins. Sarcoidosis, patients on immunosuppressive medicines and patient receiving chemotherapy or irradiation therapy for malignancy. These are the secondary immunodeficiencies. Thank you.